RPBC this time. And already, Caloocan Supremo gets. And that time is Lucas, and still may nabasa. Great anticipation on that pass. Floater shot, and that one is good for Renzo Makatangay.
Some other big name coaches in the junior division ng NCAA and UAAP. So 2004 and up, 2004, 2005, 2006, nandun si Coach Rob Labagala
Supremo. And the three.
At nagbabalik po tayo dito sa atin, yung ating mga nasa Facebook page. And a steal by Caloocan Supremo, and that would Leyba.
Wow! Oh, no good that time. Great entry pass.
Especially on the long range, no? Dahil parang minamadali nila ma-release ka agad yung...
Oh! Wow! Saktong Rapa. Ayun ata si number 17, nakikita natin kanina, Al Francis Rapa. At ito si Sebastian Bangkuyan saying, go. Oh! Juno, pass to number 3, to the three-pointer. And oh!
After a great win against RPBC on the opening on their debut game dito sa NYBL.